Right, so I just want to take a second to speak to you about riya. Yep, this thing right here, and I've already said this on my community post, but I am just so livid about episode 18. I need to get my point across once more. How? How have you won immunity again? Like, come on. It was plain to see that Ali had that. Like, I mean, love her or hate her, or neutral on her, like me, or just whatever. You could see that Ali had that in the bag. So yeah, maybe she could have won immunity. Maybe like they could have all put their differences aside and voted Rhea. Like they did it for Gret, so why not do it for Rhea as well? But no, Jake lets his stupid feelings get in the way again, giving Rhea a literal pathway. I swear down, they've literally made Rhea into like what Julia was in the reboot season 2 into this Venture Camp All-Stars. I mean, come on. We all love Julia. This is not Julia slander, for the record. I will gladly scream from the rooftops that I love Julia. But, like, come on. I swear down, she had the most plot armor and is the exact same story for Rhea right now. I mean, let's be real. Should have been MK in the reboot finale, but that's a story for another time. And still, while we're on this track, why did Connor quit? Why did Connor actually quit? Why does he actually have it drilled into his head that Jake and Ali are gonna, like, I don't know, like, do, like, some friendship is magic, like, type crap and then just bond and get Rhea out of there? They're just gonna fight even more in the finale. We already know what's coming. Like, I'm so sorry, but at this point, the writers need to lock in on, like, the relationships between people. Because, like, 1 minute you had Jake and Ali fighting, then they were talking about how they bonded to get Gret out because she was the biggest threat. Now they're fighting again. What are they? Tell me, what are they? Are they gonna make up in the finale or not? Like, I mean, that's an obvious question. We all know they're not going to, but please settle things once and for all. And that's pretty much it. I just felt like I needed to get that out in person. So yeah, I know I've been away for a long time, and the last thing that you'd want me to return with is just me ranting, but still. Rhea, I hope both sides of your pillow are warm tonight. Jake, I am going to literally remove your skull and use it as a prop pot. You keep disappointing me. And also, rest in peace, Connor. You went out like a champ. Even though I don't think it was the best decision for the game, you went out like a champ, and I respect that.
Honor twerking at the strip club. Only if you ask.